If you crave change but still believe in hope, then Chamisa's vision for Zimbabwe is your answer. Advocate Nelson Chamisa recently unveiled a stirring vision for Zimbabwe's future, filled with optimism and endless possibilities. He declared, "A different Zimbabwe with endless possibilities, this is where we are going." As we step into July, Chamisa's message brings a promise of change and hope, aiming to transform our nation into a more inclusive and prosperous Zimbabwe. His words resonate deeply, reflecting our aspirations for national renewal and advancement. Chamisa is committed to fundamental shifts in governance and socio-economic policies, advocating for the needs and dreams of every Zimbabwean. In these challenging times, his leadership offers a beacon of hope, suggesting a departure from the status quo toward a brighter future. Let's embrace this new dawn together. Here's to a blessed and rewarding month of July. #New Dawn, #for everyone, #good evening.